Hello, this is Subash. Today we are going to talk how to reapply for the monetization of YouTube channel after I get reuse content problem on YouTube channel. So there's few steps to solve this uh, problem on YouTube channel. In 2025, there is lots of the YouTube creator get a reuse repetitive content use problem on YouTube channel. So there is few steps to solve this uh, reuse content problem. So firstly, we are talking about the why we get reuse content problem on YouTube. What is this? Can you really we can be free from this one? So normally we are going to talk about the reuse content problem. Reuse that problem that is like when you use other creator video or their own video and we upload it on our YouTube channel, then we get a reuse or repetitive content problem. And another is that when you uploaded one video for 2 or 3 times, like the same video when we uploaded for more than 2 times, then we get um, a reuse or repetitive content problem on YouTube. And like when we use some same thumbnails, same description title, then we also get a reuse content problem. Then after we are going to talk about this few steps to solve reapply for the monetization after reuse content problem on YouTube channel. What we need to do and what can you do? Like normally you can see on my screen, I was got a reuse content problem on my YouTube channel, and it was suspended for the 3 months. But I applied for the 3 times and I couldn't get a proper knowledge about this one, so I rejected 2 times. But after that one I get a proper knowledge, and after third time apply I got successfully reuse problem solved on my YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel monetized again. So according to my experience and my the way I reapply for the monetization after reuse content problem on YouTube channel, I'm going to share each and everything. Then after I was apply for the third time, and you can see here, congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program, and your hard work and your dedication had paid off the your now among a prestigious community of creator building their voices and business on YouTube. So they are guiding and they are saying that after that one they accepted me on YouTube partner program. So how do these all things, and how we can really success on this matters? So we are going to talk about this one. So first of all, we are going to talk about like how to reapply for the monetization after reuse content problem. So firstly, you need to check all video in your YouTube channel. Like in your content, like when you search your content, there is if you uploaded other creators video, or you uploaded other video from their platform, so you should be deleted that one. There should be your own content, on original voice, on everything, so that things makes you are the real content creator of the your YouTube channel. So they guide and they show the your hard work and dedication. But when you uploaded other video, other creators video, then they think they are doing a they are missing the policies of the YouTube. So they, when we have missed the policy of the YouTube, then it's get like that a problem. So for that one we need to check their your all content. If there is other content, then you should be deleted, you should be delayed. Then after if there is like if you use other creators video, then that should be also acceptable. But according to their policy, you should be voice covered by yourself. So if you can, if you there's video and you have do a lots of editing and use voice cover, then that is okay. But if there is not your voice cover and that is not your video, so you should be deleted all the video, and there should be deleted all the video, like your long video and short video. so there should be a deleted. And after deleting, you should be reapply for the YouTube, because there's high chances to get accepted YouTube partner program. Otherwise, you will again rejected for the YouTube partner program. I have get already 2 times experience from the YouTube. So after that one, I had get all my content there. I was deleted everything, like when there's any doubt on the video that was not mine, and there's anything like I have just do a less effort from myself, so I deleted that video. Then after, in my channel, I put all the my original video and my voice cover video, and then after I reapply for the monetization, then I was get a successfully reapply on YouTube channel. So I was get successfully for the monetization of YouTube channel. So this is the main things we need to do in YouTube. They don't say like this video, from this video you get a reuse content problem or repetitive problem. You should never say that one. So we should be clarify that by own self. So if you want to sustain for the long times on YouTube channel, means you, those creators who are doing lots of hard work, and they're dedicated for the uh, channel. So they're done for the 1 month, 2 months. They are for the like a more than a year. So they are going to further sustain. They want to sustain on the YouTube. So you should be set in your mind. If you want to be a sustain on YouTube, so you should be a do your own work, do your own effort on your video. This should be your dedication, your hard work. Without your hard work, without your effort on your video, you couldn't be earn a money from the YouTube. So when you mind makeup on YouTube, so you should be do originality on a video, so that YouTube will be sustained for the long times your channel. So that is the main things we need to understand. So there should be a main thing that one, when when we are reapplying for the monetization after reuse content, so we should be keep in mind, there, if there's any doubt on a video that is not your video, so it should be deleted. Then after, there's video that you do a lot less effort, less editing, so you should also need to delete it. And there's video you have do a lots of work, and that is your own original video, so you should not need to delete it, because they understand this is original. You have do a lots of things on that video, so they can analyze your video. They can keep your video on hard work and dedicated. So at the times you get a high chances to recover your channel and remonetize your channel. Hope this video is helpful for you. And you want to make a full video for the reuse or repetitive content problem, I have already made this video. So I will be put this link in this description of this video, and from there you get, and there you can say how to make a full video for the YouTube channel. And thank you for the watching our video.